How to fix battery turns off randomly with battery life remaining. First up, all you have to do is first check your battery life. For that, go to the settings and then scroll down until you see an option called battery. Click on battery health and charging, and as you can see your phone's maximum capacity right there. If your maximum capacity is more than 80, then according to Apple, there is no hardware problem. But as you can see, if the battery percentage capacity is below 80%, then you may have to change your battery as recommended by Apple in order to have a healthy battery performance. You can also see an option called peak performance capability, which may have hindered your iPhone's performance. After this, the second thing you must do is go to the settings again and then click on general. Click on software update and then see if you have any updates available in your iPhone. If yes, click on update now or update tonight according to your preferences and update your phone to the latest version. And this is how you can easily solve the problem of iPhone turning off randomly even with battery life available.
We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.